Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a Ford Transit here today. Customer had the vehicle towed in and stated that after they had replaced the battery, the car intermittently wouldn't start, started acting up, started getting some lights on the dash that weren't there before. They weren't quite sure what had happened, thought maybe they had a faulty battery or something like that. We inspected the vehicle, tested the battery was good, but we noticed that there was a loose wire, and it turns out that that wire has to be removed in order to get the battery out. For whatever reason, that wire didn't get retightened. We tightened the wire up, got the vehicle back up and running. Everything seemed to be working correctly, no lights on the dash anymore. We realized that, sometimes you're trying to save money and some things get overlooked. It happens to the best of us. So if you're a do-it-yourself guy, but maybe you got into something that you can't quite figure out or determine, we'd be happy to take a look at it and help you get your vehicle back up and running. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so that everybody can have this information.